Hello sweeties! Welcome to my kitchen. You are about to learn how to make an avocado pie. What we need is 1 package of vanilla cookies, 1 stick of butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 stick of cream cheese, 2 avocados, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, here it says 1/4, and a pinch of salt. These are my ingredients. Let's see how to make the pie. First, we are going to grind the vanilla cookies, and this step we can do it by hand like this, or with a blender. This is a blender, guys. Now let's put the cookies in a bowl.
Frío por ahí se lo voy a poner. Tercera, cuarta puerta por ahí.
Once the butter is melted, we need to mix it with the vanilla cookies, like this. It should look like this. Now we are going to use a mold. I have a square, a circle, and even I have a butterfly, but this time I am going to use the square. The mixture of vanilla cookies and butter, we are going to put it into the mold, okay? And now we are going to spread it. Now let's put it into the freezer and wait 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Now what we need is to put everything, the rest of the ingredients, into the blender. First we are going to add the sweetened condensed milk. Then we are going to add the cream cheese, which I haven't opened. Then we are going to add the avocados. 1 and 2 avocados. Then we are going to add the lemon juice. And finally, the pinch of salt. Only 1 pinch of salt. The mixture should look like this. And now we are going to take out the pie crust from the freezer and we are going to pour this into the mold. Now that we have the rest of the ingredients in the mold, we need to spread it and then we are going to put it into the freezer again for 6 hours. Remember to leave the pie in the freezer for 6 hours and then when it is ready you can decorate it with mango, kiwi or strawberries. I will use mango. I will show you my final result.
6 hours later.
I removed the pie from the mold. Here it is, and now I am going to use mango to decorate it.